On the serene, green mountainside of Bromont stands a house that seems to have emerged from the ground. From a distance, its form is simple, two gabled volumes that follow the contours of nature. There's no sense of prominence, only a desire to blend in. This house seems to speak softly, teaching that true beauty doesn't always come from grandeur, but from the balance between form and landscape. Solid stone walls reflect earth tones, combined with dark metal and natural wood, adding warmth. Each material was chosen not for luxury, but for timelessness. As the sun moves over the valley, light dances across the facade, creating slowly shifting shadows, like the breath of nature that surrounds it. Inside, the atmosphere is calm and clean. Vast open spaces allow natural light to flow gently into every corner, while neutral colors and natural textures create a sense of peace. From the living room, the mountain views are endless. A stone fireplace provides a unifying focal point, a place where conversation, silence, and the natural scenery meet in simple harmony. This house is not just a place to live, but a space to experience. Here, every element reminds us that the best architecture is quiet, yet it makes us pause, take a deep breath, and realize the beauty of living in harmony with nature.